It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system, no doubt for sure. Units of conversion, no less, no more. If 12 inches make a foot and 3 feet make a yard, how many inches in a yard?
Man, that's kind of hard.
Nope, it's not really. It's just 12 times 3, 36 inches, 1 yard exactly. 1,760 yards in a mile. Trust me, no need to count, cause that could take a while. A mile is 5,280 feet. That's right, we're talking length with strength over the beat. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system, no doubt for sure. Units of conversion, no less, no more. If 2 cups make a pint and 2 pints make a quart, how many cups in a quart?
That would be 4.
If 4 quarts make a gallon and 4 cups are in a quart, how many cups in a gallon?
Man, that's a challenge.
Maybe so, but it's just 4 times 4. 16 cups and a gallon for sure. That's 8 pints, no less, no more. 4 quarts, 1 gallon, let's settle the score. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system, no doubt for sure. Units of conversion, no less, no more. So the 16 ounces in a pound, and 2,000 pounds in a ton, Now imagine a 10-pound cat on the ground who loves to lounge in the sun. What is the weight of the cat in ounces?
That's tough.
Maybe, but that's the way the ball bounces. 16 ounces multiplied by 10 pounds.
160 ounces? How does that sound?
You look confused, you just need more practice to keep all your math skills sharp like a cactus. Here's another one, you're almost done. A 4,000-pound car is how many tons?
4,000 pounds is 2 tons exactly. That's a heavy car. Is it a truck or a taxi?
2 tons is right, you're really coming along. Learn the standard system by learning this song. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system, no doubt for sure. Units of conversion, no less, no more. Now, suppose you got an area of 1 square foot. How many square inches would you have in that area? Calm down, no need to cause mass hysteria. I didn't know the units of conversion were scaring you.
1 square foot is a 1 by 1 square.
Now transfer that to inches and do it with care.
12 inches squared is 144.
That's 1 square foot, no less, no more. Try to visualize what the problem is asking. That's a math skill for life, long and everlasting. Paint a picture with your mind, create a visual image, and memorize this song from the start to the finish. It's the standard system. Manipulate measurements, take them, twist them. It's the standard system, no doubt for sure. Units of conversion, no less, no more. Standard system.
Okay, so there's one way. So we're going to look at a couple others real quick. So you can do the use the box to help change from larger units to smaller units, and you do it by multiplying. Same thing. So if you'll set it up. So you put your large units on top, smaller units on bottom, and then this part comes from your math chart. So 1 yard equals 3 feet, and then you come over here. This comes from your problem. So I've got 12 yards. So 12 goes next across from the yards. I don't know my feet, so I just put in a variable. So then you cross multiply. So 3 times 12, and then 1 times h. So 3 times 12 equals 1 times h. 36 equals h. So then you do what you can do. So 12 yards is going to equal 36 feet. Good job. Oops. So here's just another one, same thing, but just using it in pints. So this one, remember, you still put in what you know. This comes from your math chart. 34 is what we know, and we don't know our pints. So then you cross multiply, so 2 times n, and then 1 times 34, which is 2 times n equals 34. And so then remember, you undo multiplication with division. So n equals 34 divided by 2, which is 17. So 34 cups is 17 pints. Or another one, if you can remember, small to big, divide the pig. So if it's a smaller unit going to a larger unit, we're going to divide. And then, oops, got too quick. If it's a larger unit to a smaller unit, big to small, you're going to multiply all. Okay? Either way is perfectly fine. Whatever helps to remember what you're going to do. All right. So be sure that you have a list of just your metric units of, your customary units of measurement, and then an example of what you would use to measure those. Okay, so remember, you don't have to remember how much it takes to make each, because that is all on that math chart. So just go ahead and have a list of each of the customary units and write an example next to it. Go ahead, you can just do that in your vocabulary spiral. All right, see y'all tomorrow.